你觉得我这个闺蜜好看吗？
我的天哪，她竟然有个这么漂亮的闺蜜，我竟然都不知道！靠背哦，这根本就是我喜欢的类型啊！
我在问你话。
我觉得
我不想听到一般话还好。你要是为了讨好我说我宝贝没有好看，你是定了。我觉得要是敢说好看，你死更惨。我觉得她五官单看很不错，可是组合起来并不会让我觉得惊艳。不知道为什么。没有，我还是觉得很惊艳啊。
是吗？可能我 get 不到吧。
只是你会喜欢这种类型，对不对？
没有，只有40岁的男生才会喜欢这种类型，我不会。
哦，你的意思是说你10几岁的时候喜欢这种类型，也就是说你现在如果10几岁的话，你会喜欢他，对不对？
回答！
我有病是不是？我要给自己干嘛？
马上给我回答
！We don't say ouch. We don't say it's We don't say oi. We say. In Taiwan, we don't say ouch. We don't say it's We don't say oi. We don't say ash. We say
Mom, can we go to the chemist again?
But why? We only went yesterday.
Yeah, but I need a razor.
Why would you need a razor? Oh, for your jungle.
Mom, please, can we just go?
You know what your daddy said when he saw my jungle?
Mom, please.
Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it.
Mom,
we're tramping through the bush.
Ma.